Beloved soul, listen closely. There are whispers from the veil, secrets that the universe has kept just for you. You were not born by chance, nor did your paths cross by accident. This connection, this deep resonance you feel, is a sacred blueprint, etched into the fabric of time long before your eyes first met. The angels lean in, their wings rustling with ancient truths, and they tell me this: you were sent. You are a divine answer to an unspoken prayer, a light destined to illuminate a path that only you could walk alongside him. Your presence is a balm to the wounds he carries, a key to chambers within his heart that he believed were forever sealed. You carry a unique frequency, a melody that only his soul recognizes, a song of homecoming. This journey, often fraught with shadows and silence, is not a test of your worth, but a testament to the profound mission you both share. You are not merely a participant in this unfolding story, you are its very essence, the message itself. The divine hand orchestrated this meeting, not for fleeting pleasure, but for profound transformation, for a love that transcends the earthly and touches the eternal. Your spirit, a beacon, calls to his, guiding him through his own internal wilderness. You are the sacred echo he never knew he was searching for, the quiet strength that will ultimately bring him to his knees, not in defeat, but in surrender to the love that is his destiny. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. My dear one, I feel the ache of his silence within you, a hollow space where words should be. It is a language often misunderstood, a veil that obscures the truth. But the angels whisper, their voices soft as morning mist, that his quietude is not a sign of absence, but a profound period of preparation. He is not forgetting you, he is remembering himself, or rather being remade. This stillness, this distance that feels like a chasm, is a sacred space where the divine is working within him, untangling knots, healing old wounds, preparing his vessel for the magnitude of what is to come. His soul, you see, is undergoing a deep recalibration. He is shedding layers of fear, of past hurts, and of societal expectations that have weighed him down. This process, often solitary and internal, is necessary for him to fully receive the light you bring. Do not mistake his introspection for indifference. His spirit is wrestling with truths, confronting shadows, all in anticipation of a reunion that will be richer, deeper, and more authentic because of this very solitude. Trust the unseen work, the silent alchemy. His heart, though quiet now, is being sculpted, refined, made ready for the love that is already his. You wonder about the depths of his heart, don't you? You question if he feels the intensity, the connection that resonates within your own being. The angels, with their knowing gaze, reveal a truth often hidden beneath masculine facades. He feels everything. Every nuance of your presence, every unspoken word, every flicker of your spirit registers within him with an almost overwhelming force. But his journey, his conditioning, has taught him to guard these profound emotions, to navigate them in solitude, to express them in ways that may not yet align with your longing. He carries a landscape of emotions within, a vast ocean of feeling, but the pathways to articulate them, to truly show them, are still being forged. This is not a lack of love, but a struggle with expression, a battle between the raw truth of his heart and the learned defenses of his past. Your essence, your unwavering light, is slowly, gently dissolving these barriers. He is learning through you what it means to truly feel, to truly connect without fear of vulnerability. Have compassion for his process. His heart, though perhaps clumsy in its outward display, beats with a profound awareness of you. There is a power within you, a gentle yet potent force, that you may not fully comprehend. The angels whisper of it, a radiant energy that emanates from your very core. They say that simply by being yourself, by existing in your authentic truth, you have initiated a profound healing within him. Without conscious effort, without a single spoken word of intention, your light has touched the deepest, most guarded wounds of his soul. Imagine a soft, warm glow reaching into the darkest corners of his past, soothing old pains, and mending fractured pieces. This is the silent miracle you have performed. Your presence alone has offered him a mirror, reflecting back to him the possibility of wholeness, the promise of unconditional acceptance. He may not articulate it, perhaps he doesn't even fully understand it himself, but his spirit recognizes the profound gift you are. You have shown him a different way to exist, a path paved with grace and genuine connection. This healing, this quiet transformation, is a testament to the divine spark within you, a testament to the sacred purpose of your connection. You are a living prayer, a walking blessing, and your light is his silent salvation. The human heart, in its longing, often grapples with the idea of time. We measure, we anticipate, and we grow weary in the waiting. But the angels, with their eternal perspective, remind us that the divine clock ticks to a different rhythm. What may seem to you as delay, as an agonizing pause in the unfolding of your destiny, is in truth a meticulous, loving preparation by the hand of the divine. It is not a denial of your desires, but a careful orchestration of circumstances, a perfecting of conditions, both within you and within him. God is not simply waiting, God is actively preparing. Preparing the soil for a magnificent bloom, strengthening roots that can withstand any storm, ensuring that when the moment arrives, it is not just beautiful, but sustainable, deeply rooted, and eternally blessed. This period of waiting is a sacred incubation, a time for growth, for deepening faith, and for shedding all that no longer serves your highest good. Trust this divine timing. Every moment, every breath, and every perceived setback is a brushstroke in the masterpiece of your shared future. The universe conspires in your favor, even when its movements are hidden from your immediate sight. Feel it, my dear one, the subtle tug, the undeniable pull that defies logic and reason. This is not merely a connection of hearts, but a profound intertwining of souls, a thread woven into existence before the first star ignited. The angels confirm what your deepest intuition already knows. Your souls were destined to meet, to recognize each other across lifetimes, across dimensions. This is a sacred contract, a divine agreement made in realms beyond our earthly comprehension. You carry within you the memory of this ancient bond, a resonance that vibrates whenever his name is whispered, whenever his presence is near. This thread, invisible yet unbreakable, links you through every challenge, every silence, every moment of doubt. It is a testament to a love that transcends the physical, a love that has been patiently waiting for its earthly manifestation. You are not just two individuals. You are two halves of a greater whole, drawn together by an irresistible cosmic force. This is why his essence feels so familiar, why his spirit speaks to yours in a language only you understand. This connection is a gift, a sacred trust, a promise whispered by the universe itself. There is a profound truth that the angels want you to understand. His journey of awakening and spiritual growth is deeply connected to the resonance of your own heart. Your inner work, healing, and acceptance of your true self send ripples through the energetic field that connects you both. As you rise and let go of your fears and limitations, you create a vibrational pathway for him to follow. Your courage to confront your own shadows and embrace your own light serves as a silent invitation, a gentle nudge for his soul to do the same. He feels this shift within you, even if he can't quite identify it. It stirs something deep within him, a longing for the same freedom and peace. You are not responsible for his choices, but your unwavering light and commitment to your own spiritual journey are powerful catalysts for his transformation. The angels whisper that the echo of your heart is a sacred drumbeat, calling him home to himself, and ultimately to you. Continue to nurture your own flame, for in its brilliance, you light the way forward for him. Look back, my dear one, at the winding path you have traveled. Every turn, every perceived misstep, every moment of joy and sorrow was not random. The angels, with their vast wisdom, assure me that every single step of your journey, every detour, every unexpected twist, has been meticulously ordained by a higher power. There are no accidents in the divine tapestry of your life. Each challenge you faced, each lesson you learned, each heartbreak you endured served a sacred purpose. They were not punishments but profound teachings, shaping you, refining you, preparing you for the very love you seek. Even the moments of separation, the periods of doubt, were designed to strengthen your faith, deepen your understanding of yourself, and cultivate a resilience that would serve you in the grand unfolding. Trust that the universe has been guiding you with unwavering precision, leading you always toward your highest good, toward the fulfillment of your soul's deepest desires. You are exactly where you are meant to be, on a path divinely illuminated. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Isaiah 58 verse 11. There are many misconceptions about love, my dear, many bonds that are disguised as affection. But the angels, who witness the purest forms of connection, reveal a profound truth. True love does not imprison. It does not diminish, nor does it demand. Instead, it guides. It is a gentle hand on your back, encouraging you forward on your unique path, celebrating your growth, and honoring your individuality. True love is a sacred space where both souls are free to expand, evolve, and become the fullest expression of themselves, knowing they are held, supported, and cherished. It is a partnership built on mutual respect, understanding that each person's journey enriches the others, without ever seeking to control or confine. If you have experienced love that felt like a cage, know that it was a lesson, preparing you for the boundless freedom of a divine connection. This love, the one your soul longs for, will be a beacon, not an anchor. It will inspire you to soar, to reach for heights you never imagined were possible, all while knowing you have a safe haven to return to. My beautiful soul, a profound message resonates from the angelic realms, one that seeks to dissolve an ancient fear within you. You do not need to dim your light, shrink your essence, or disappear into the background to be chosen. You are already seen. You are already chosen, not for who you pretend to be, but for the magnificent, radiant being you truly are. Your worth is not dependent on external validation, nor on his recognition. It is an inherent, divine truth. The angels whisper that the very qualities you might try to hide, the vulnerabilities you perceive as flaws, are exactly what make you uniquely captivating and powerful. Embrace your full spectrum, your shadows and your light, your strength and your tenderness. For it is in your wholeness, in your authentic presence, that true connection can flourish. Do not fear being too much or not enough. You are exactly as you are meant to be, a masterpiece of divine creation. Stand in your truth, shine your brightest, and know that the love destined for you will honor every facet of your being, for it already recognizes the sacred beauty that resides within. You are altogether beautiful, my darling. There is no flaw in you. Song of Solomon 4 verse 7.